In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SMS CampAIgn with Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear sender, choose your audience, write a message that lands, and send it right away or schedule it for later. Start by opening the Brevo app in your browser and head to the marketing area. This is where all outbound campaigns live. Click Create Campaign, then choose SMS as your channel. You'll be prompted to give your campaign a name. Pick something descriptive so you can recognize it later in your reports, then confirm to create the campaign space. Next, set up the sender, open the sender section, type the sender name you want recipients to see, and save. Keep it short and recognizable. Many carriers cap the length and may not allow special characters. In some regions, numeric senders or pre-registered names are required, so make sure what you enter aligns with your plan and local rules. Move on to recipients. Open the recipient section and select the contact list or segment you want to reach, then save. It's a good practice to target engaged contacts and ensure everyone has provided consent for SMS. Accurate targeting helps control costs and improve deliverability. Now, create the message content. Click to start composing and type your SMS. Be concise, lead with the key value or offer, and include a clear call to action. Remember that standard SMS segments are limited in length, so staying brief helps you avoid multiple segments. If you personalize with attributes like first name, double-check your placeholders so the message reads naturally for everyone. Where applicable, consider adding brief opt-out language to meet compliance expectations. If your plan and region support it, you can attach an image by selecting or dropping it into the message builder. Use lightweight, mobile-friendly visuals, and make sure they reinforce the message rather than distract. When you're happy with the copy and the optional image, save your work. You're ready to send. Choose whether to send now or later. If you need instant delivery, confirm. Send now. If you prefer to schedule, pick send later, then select the date and the exact time that fits your audience's time zone and typical response window. Avoid overnight hours and local holidays to maximize engagement. After setting the date and time, confirm the scheduled send so it's locked in. That's it. You've created the SMS campaign, set a clear sender, chosen recipients, crafted your message, saved everything, and either sent it immediately or scheduled it for the perfect moment.